Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced tea with syrup. First, brew your favorite tea a bit stronger than usual to ensure a rich base. Next, prepare a simple syrup, which is easy to customize with various flavors. Then, combine your cooled tea with the syrup and plenty of ice. Finally, add a garnish like a lemon slice or fresh mint for a refreshing touch. It's a delightful way to enjoy a cool drink. For a perfect iced tea base, use about 1.5 times the amount of tea you normally would for hot tea. Steep your tea bags or loose leaf tea for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your desired strength. Once brewed, remove the tea and let it cool completely to room temperature. You can use any type of tea, from classic black to refreshing green or even a fragrant herbal blend, to suit your taste. Creating your simple syrup is straightforward. Combine equal parts granulated sugar and water in a saucepan. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly, until all the sugar has completely dissolved. For extra flavor, you can infuse the syrup with ingredients like sliced ginger, fresh berries, or mint leaves while it cools. Remember to let the syrup cool down entirely before adding it to your tea for the best results. Now for the fun part, assembling your iced tea. Fill a glass with plenty of ice. Pour in about 1 cup of your cooled, brewed tea. Then, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of your homemade simple syrup, adjusting to your preferred sweetness. Stir everything together thoroughly to ensure the flavors are well combined. A fresh lemon wedge, a sprig of mint, or a few berries make a beautiful and tasty garnish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.